Hello, in this lesson you will learn how to create a quotation. After the vendors have submitted their quotations in response to the request for quotations within the bid closing date, the purchaser then has to enter the quotes and make a decision to the best competitive bid for the RFQ. The quotation can be entered into the system by using transaction ME47, and it can be allocated by navigating the following sub menu path. So let's go first to logistics, go to materials management, go to purchasing, click on RFQ/quotation, then click on quotation, transaction ME47 maintain. Let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The initial screen is displayed and it requires the purchaser to enter an RFQ number. The vendor's code need to be posted into the screen, and the code for each vendor that's been received from the vendor should be posted against that particular RFQ. So let's go ahead and click in the RFQ and choose RFQ number. I'm going to choose one known to me for this lesson that ends with 1116 and press the enter key. The maintain quotation screen is displayed. If you notice, you have the RFQ number, the vendor, the RFQ date, and quotation deadline. The line item or the price should be posted against each item line. So let's go ahead and select the line item and click on the item details. Item 00010 screen is displayed for price entry. So let's go ahead and click in the net order price and enter $200 for that item. Additional entries such as discount, freight cost, can also be posted using the condition screen. So let's go ahead and choose the condition or the item condition icon and click to open the screen. Change quotation item condition. For example, if you have a freight cost that's included in this quotation, then we'll go ahead and click on this icon, search icon, to add a new line for freight cost. Choose FRA1 for freight cost and click to continue. Click the tab key and enter 5. That's 5%. Tab key again. It's US dollars. And then press the enter key to confirm. Notice that the freight cost I entered 5%, so 5% of 200 is $10 times 4 pieces, $40. So the actual price now is $840 for the total quotation. Let's go ahead now and go back and enter another RFQ for another vendor. Let's go ahead and click on the back icon. Go ahead now and save your work with a new price after adding the freight cost. Let's go ahead and add another RFQ that ends with 1117. Press the enter key. It's another vendor. Let's go ahead and choose the line item to 220. And then add a condition, freight cost, tab key to 4%, it's US dollar, and press to confirm. Go back, save. Go ahead now and add another vendor Let's end with 1014. So enter key. So we have 3 vendors coded for this item. Let's choose the line item. Details to 225, or actually let's put this 190, and press the condition key, add the freight cost, press the tab key, add 3% US dollar, press the enter key. We have the freight cost calculated here as $22.80. The total price for this order is $782.80. Let's go back and save our work. After the quotations have been entered, the quotation will be tabulated in order to compare and select the vendor with the most competitive bid or price. And after selecting the successful vendor, a purchase order, which a lesson we're going to talk about later on, will be issued to that vendor who has the lowest price. Let's go ahead now and click on the back icon. This will bring us back to the main menu screen. You have just learned how to create a request for quotation using transaction ME47. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, you could go back and review the material one more time.